What statute of limitations applies to Illinois motorcycle accident cases? Hi, I'm Josh Rorscheib. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Central Illinois, and typically Illinois motorcycle accident cases are subject to a 2-year statute of limitations. This means that you have a deadline of 2 years from the date of the accident to have a lawsuit on file, or your claim may be barred because you failed to file the lawsuit in time or because the statute of limitations is run. As a practical matter, that means that if you file a lawsuit late, the defense can file a motion to dismiss, telling the court they blew the statute of limitations, and they'll almost certainly win, and your case will be dismissed, your case will be over. You won't be able to recover for your damages that arose in that motorcycle accident. So that's why statutes of limitations are so important. You really want to be certain that you have your lawsuit on file in time, or that the case is totally done and wrapped up way before the statute of limitations runs. All right, so I said that generally a 2-year statute of limitations applies, but I'd like to just point out that there are a few exceptions under Illinois law. So one common exception would be cases involving children. So a child might be a passenger in a motorcycle. You may have someone who's a minor, who's under 18 but still old enough to drive, who's driving a motorcycle. In cases where the injured person is a minor, typically the statute of limitations is tolled until they turn 18. So in most cases, a minor would have until they turn 20 to file a lawsuit. It's usually a good idea to get a lawsuit on file as soon as possible for a lot of reasons. Being able to get the medical records, being able to prove your case, gather the evidence. If you recover a lot of money for a minor, it's better for that money to be earning interest for the minor than just sitting in some insurance company's bank account. So for all these reasons, even though you may have until the minor turns 20 to file a lawsuit, we'd encourage you to do so earlier. Also, in some cases, the statute of limitations could be shorter. For instance, in cases where a local government is a defendant, then the case as to that governmental entity may be subject to a 1-year statute of limitations. So it's important, if you want to know what statute of limitations applies to your specific case, to talk to a personal injury lawyer. You can take advantage of a free consultation with an injury lawyer. They can look at the police report, they can talk to you about your case and let you know exactly what deadlines would apply for your case. If you have any other questions about Illinois motorcycle accident cases, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.